What was TTP? TTP put Pashtuns along on the Pakistan side of the border. You know, just for the viewers, Taliban is a Pashtun movement. There are about 45 to 50% Pashtuns in Afghanistan. On the Pakistan side of the Durand Line, which was made by the British, are twice as many Pashtuns. But what is called the tribal area was the border area on the other side of Afghanistan. There were the Pashtun tribes, and there was actually no border. The Durand Line was never accepted. They used to move back and forth. Now we have fenced the border, but there was nothing there. Now, when the U.S. invaded Afghanistan, they removed the Taliban. The Pashtuns on this side were completely sympathetic with the Pashtuns, not because of the religious ideology, but because of Pashtun ethnicity and nationality, which is very strong. So they turned against Pakistan. When we became an ally of the US, they called us collaborators, and they then started attacking the Pakistan state and started calling themselves Pakistani Taliban, which we hadn't had before we joined the alliance.